In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Roblox connection error. Before we do dive in this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But first things first, if you are getting a connection error here in Roblox, what you're going to want to do is close out of Roblox completely and click the search bar at the bottom and type in the following. That's going to be %app data %, and it should take you to a file folder just like so. Open up that folder and scroll down until you see the Roblox option within here. Keep in mind this is going to be alphabetically ordered, so just find the R's within here and just open up that folder and delete everything within logs specifically. Then we open up Roblox and check to see if it is fixed. If it's still not working though, press the Windows button on your computer and go into your settings. From here, go ahead and find apps on this section and select installed apps. From here, go ahead and search up Roblox just like so and find that Roblox player and click on the three dots next to it and hit uninstall. Now from here, either go back into the Microsoft Store and re-download Roblox or download it from the browser. And speaking of browser, I also recommend opening up a browser and just try launching Roblox from the official website. Just log in, go to any game and select play on it and it's going to load you in. If none of those work though, the issue might be on Roblox's end. You can actually check this by going to status.roblox.com just to check to see if servers are down. If they are down, just wait until Roblox fixes them. But that's how you could fix Roblox connection errors. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.